Have you ever spent a long time using a certain design technique without questioning it, but then realised you could have achieved the same result in a fraction of the time if you'd used a different method? Or come across a great tip that's opened your mind to a whole range of possibilities? Well, I think if we're honest, we've all had those moments. And that's why as graphic designers, we love tips. We tend to collect them up over time, and it seems there's always a better, faster, more efficient way to do something. Well, I've created this class to share my top 10 tips for logo design with you for Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope you'll find these as helpful and essential as I have. So here's a quick overview of some of the tips I'll be sharing in this class. So we'll look at using the Shape Builder tool to best effect, rotating to create unique abstract design elements. We'll look at balancing hacks, how you can snap your artwork to a grid to quickly create unique shapes, how to use contrast to best effect, how to recolor your artwork without doing it piece by piece. We'll have a look at the new improved gradient tool and what a long way that's come from its original versions. And lastly, we'll look at how to outline and customize type to create something truly unique and bespoke for your clients. If I added up the combined time that using these tips have saved me over the years, it wouldn't be hours, it would be almost weeks of time every year I'm saving by doing things using these methods. So if you'd like to watch the full class, you'll have to head over to Skillshare. You can see a link in the description that will actually let you watch that and get up to a month of Skillshare subscription at no cost. So have a look at the description, use the link, and enjoy the class.